Hi, I'm Mike from Jackson's, and today we're looking at the Dometic CRX50 and CRX8O, both of which we have in our showroom. When we take a closer look, you'll see that on the inside it has a soft touch control display, a built-in interior light, as well as a removable freezer compartment, allowing you to operate it as a complete fridge, a complete freezer, or as it's always been, a fridge freezer. Inside, it also has a built-in electronic thermostat. Both of these fridges operate on 12 and 24 volts. And if you wish to operate it on 240 as well, then you can buy an optional extra MPS 35. And that is the Dometic CRX range.